Well, I've been to several neighborhood community meetings, and again, you know, they hear that I'm a judge and they want to talk to me about blight. I don't hear blight. That's Judge Dandridge. Can you tell us about those types of cases in your courtroom?
And that's environmental court. That is the essence of environmental court violations and cases, and blight is the magic word. And you know it when you see it. Blighted conditions can be from nuisance littering to junky yard, could be, you might not know this, but I have several cases where I didn't know you could put 50 cars in your backyard, but you can, depending on how big your backyard is. And so you can't store 50 cars in your backyard. And so you have to keep your grass cut. You can't park your car in the grass. There are a lot of ordinance violations some people are not really aware of until they come to my courtroom, and I tell them that is the law. You know, and then
now, is there a difference in the county and unincorporated county versus the city? Can you have 50 cars in your backyard?
That's an excellent question, and you are correct. There is a difference, and there is no limitation in the ordinance in Shelby County as to how many vehicles you can have. Interesting, right?
Yes.
But you cross that line in the city of Memphis, and there's a limitation on how many vehicles you can have. Now, you can't have inoperable vehicles. I don't care where you live. So Shelby County or the city of Memphis, all your vehicles must work. But in Memphis, believe it or not, a lot of people don't know that in the city of Memphis, the ordinance says you can only have 4 vehicles.
Oh, wow.
So people say, well, I got 5 kids. I don't write the law. Contact your city council person if you think 4 is too restrictive. Now, we do allow additional vehicles in the garage. So if you got a garage, you can have an additional 2 or whatever big your garage is. You can put your vehicle. In fact, you can store anything you want in your garage. And you just can't have junk around the property. We call it junkyard, and people come to court, my yard's not junky. How about that couch on the porch? You can't do that, you know? And so a lot of times I tell people, and people just don't know. I mean, it's their property, they store items in it, they don't know the difference sometimes.
And they think it is my property, I pay the cost.
And that's right, and I say, sir, it is your property. However, there's this ordinance law that you have to also be in compliance with.
And this is Inside General Sessions Civil Court. We would love for you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.